A big challenge faced by organizations includes tedious compliance. A survey said adding simplifying reporting under tax regulations would make reconciliations quicker and more efficient. Hello and welcome to Varindia News Hour. Tax teams at large firms spend 70% of time on average on tax compliance and want cross-utilization of data collected by the government agencies to cut down on reporting requirements, a Deloitte survey on income tax digitalisation in India said. The disproportionate amount of time spent by tax teams on tax compliance, more so in large organizations, is an area of concern and needs to be addressed by ways of discussion between the tax administration and taxpayers, said the Deloitte survey. Tax teams in large, complex organizations, despite their enhanced use of technology in tax, spend a high proportion, that is around 70% on average, on tax compliance. Given the significant amount of data involved, the reconciliation of tedious data and processing or reprocessing of data requires large teams to focus full-time only on tedious compliance. In light of fact that more transactions are coming within the purview of tedious, the problem is growing in complexity, the survey said. Today, the amount of time corporate taxpayers spends on compliance, the demand is overwhelmingly of digitalization of compliance. There is a big burden of compliance and reporting that takes away most of their time, says Deloitte India partner. The survey respondents were appreciative of the improved income tax portal for its user-friendly interface and e-documentation trail maintenance. Companies with a turnover of Rs 500 to 3,000 crores appreciated computer-based scrutiny selection and speedy processing of returns and refunds. Faceless assessments have been appreciated the most by respondents from companies with a turnover of Rs 3,000 to 6,400 crores. Asks from taxpayers differ depending on the size of the organization, while the asks of larger organizations are for the tax administration to use filings made under other regulations and thus simplify tax reporting. Small ones seek to streamline TDS or TCS compliance, the Deloitte survey said. The expert said it is encouraging to note that 60% of companies have already completed automation for transaction tax and annual tax compliance, with the remaining 40% still in the process. We also noted that 50% of the respondents attested to the advantages of data accessibility on tax portals, while observing a notable decrease in time spent on compliance. Let's look into today's headlines. Microsoft to buy electricity generated from fusion company Helion in 2028. Microsoft has signed a power purchase agreement with nuclear fusion startup Helion Energy to buy electricity from it in 2028. As responding to climate change has become an increasingly urgent goal for companies and countries around the globe, Microsoft's agreement to buy electricity from Helion is the first time a fusion company has inked a deal to sell electricity. 2.25 lakh mobile numbers deactivated in Bihar, Jharkhand by Telecom Dept. The Department of Telecommunications has deactivated more than 2.25 lakh mobile phone numbers in Bihar and Jharkhand in the month of April, as majority of the SIM cards were allegedly procured through forged documents. Telecom service providers have also blacklisted 517 point of sales who have been found to be involved in unethical and illegal practices while issuing SIM cards. Twitter rolls out encrypted DMs for verified users. Twitter is rolling out its encrypted direct messaging feature. However, the initial rollout comes with some major limitations, as this feature is currently only available to verified Twitter users, which includes Twitter Blue subscribers and those part of a verified organization. For now, an encrypted chat requires both users to be verified according to the company. Microsoft invests in startup Builder.ai. Microsoft has invested in UK-based Indian-origin entrepreneur Sachin Dev Duggal-led Builder.ai provides an AI-powered platform that allows individuals and businesses to turn their ideas into software and helps them develop applications. Microsoft is planning to integrate Builder.ai's own AI assistant Natasha into its Teams video and chat software. OpenAI CEO to testify in US Senate for first time over AI. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman will testify before US Congress for the first time next week over AI as the technology becomes more powerful and lawmakers grapple with how best to regulate it. Altman was part of a White House meeting on AI last week that discussed how to ensure regulatory safeguards. IBM's Chief Privacy Officer Christina Montgomery is another witness. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia News Magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.